Hello, it's Doris with Aldi Books. Except this video is a little bit atypical and quite random. So I have become obsessed with what I eat in a day and what I eat in a week type videos. Just really quite obsessed. I watch them a lot. And so I started dabbling around in, foodie ideas. I'm really kind of excited about it. So I spent most of July trying to eat down my pantry and refrigerator so I could start fresh with these new foodie ideas. And I read a couple books about intuitive eating because a lot of the videos that I've been watching, the eaters, for lack of a better word, subscribe to intuitive eating. So I was like, what is that all about? So anyway, yeah, so basically, if you're not interested in this type video, I'm going to label all of them fit lit. So you can just not watch those if you're not interested. And yeah, I will review briefly the couple of books that I read, which was, I think, Intuitive Eating and The Anti-Diet at the end of this video. So you can fast forward to that if you happen to be interested in those. And yeah, so basically this is a hodgepodge because I don't know what I'm doing. It's just a new fun hobby. And so the first portion of this is kind of the refrigerator clean out and haul. And then the last little bit is an actual what I ate in a day. My random style of doing things. So yeah, I guess that's it. Here we go. And the book review will be at the end. So enjoy or move on with your life. Yeah, I knew it was you. I wonder where the other two are. Okay, I've been working on this all summer. Time for the big reveal. Dun, dun, dun. It's empty-ish. So we just have a few of Gabriel's leftover beans, pepperonis, eggs, lettuce. In my drawer is the Canadian cucumbers and baby carrots. And in Gabriel's drawer, grown-up carrots and cherries. And then my Coke Addiction butter, a few condiments. Yeah, one of those left. I got this for my Vietnamese rice and it turned out so well. That's Gabriel's. And then your standard ketchup, barbecue, mayonnaise, my favorite dressings, apple jelly, Parmesan, and this was also for the Vietnamese rice, pickles. And these are leftovers from quarantine, like, when we were buying that kind of stuff. Oh, freezer is also almost bare. Oh, I didn't clean that yet. Dude, that's embarrassing. Oh well. Yeah, just a couple smoothie makers, soup makers, Gabriel's tots, spaghetti makers, tortilla soup, taco salad, and these have been in here forever, and I need to use them. That's the point. Oh, and soup maker. Oh, cilantro. That's frozen cilantro. And then this too, baked goods, gluten-free Bisquick. My friend gave me gluten-free brownie mix. I'm gonna get into oats, friends. I'm gonna get into oats. All of this is, good staples except the boil in a bag rice. I'm gonna quit being lazy. And That's Gabriel's. Gabriel is my 17-year-old, soon to be 18-year-old, and he is so much healthier than I am. This is mine. The tea has been here forever, but I couldn't throw it away. I gotta figure out how to make myself drink tea. Snack shelf again, you know, I couldn't get it all eaten, and I haven't swept in here yet. So this is real life, okay? And I couldn't finish this either. I should have given it away, but you know, we need our vices, right? The Doritos are for taco salad, FYI. I am just so blessed to start every work day with this drive. Wow, look at how froggy it is. So beautiful. Hello, it's Doris with Aldi Books, except, is that better? Except, today it's Doris at Fitlit, maybe. So I have become obsessed with what I eat in a day, what I eat in a week videos, like absolutely obsessed. So, you know, when I become obsessed with a new project, it's not enough for me to just watch. I have to participate. So welcome to my new what I eat obsession. I gotta go to work. It's the first day of school. Can you believe that? Like, it's not the first day of school, it's a teacher work day, but yeah. I better get busy with that. More later. It's a monarch. Okay, grocery haul: bananas, plantain, cilantro, Greek yogurt, chicken for me, soy sauce because this soy sauce has gluten in it, blueberries, plums, tomatoes, zucchini, chives. What is that, Gabriel? What is that? Lentils, bacon, Gabriel's steak, dark chocolate chips, honeydew eggs, Gabriel's chicken, onions, milk, watermelon, and look, we got protein powder because I'm gonna make Linda's son pancakes. I'm so excited. Is that the moo?
Her little face.
Oh, moo. So precious.
She is real impressed.
Yeah, she's. Are you precious, Chicky? It's so good. It's so good. Just like that, the refrigerator is no longer on a diet. Here they are. My first ever Linda's son pancakes. Let's do this. Here we go. I could get used to this. So I've been doing so well this year eating the fresh foods, not letting them go to waste. However, I fell off the wagon somehow this week. I don't know how it happened. The blueberries are looking well though. Look at there. And the blackberries, not too bad. There is one. This one's got to go, but I think if we make a smoothie tonight, we'll be okay. Celery. I got this with my Buffalo Wild Wings order. Actually, that's still good. I have Canadian cucumber fail here. I just don't care about the chive. Nor the cilantro. I have cilantro in my freezer. I don't know. Should I try to salvage some? Maybe. Maybe I will. But yeah. Epic fail. Sorry, Canada. And the zucchini. I think I could use. Maybe I'll make some of those fritter things. And carrots. Carrots are fine. They're fine. This is not my fault. Gabriel, are you gonna eat this tomato or should I throw? Ooh. You want me to throw this tomato away, babe?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying that? Ooh. Are you enjoying that? Where did you go? Well, that's embarrassing. I'm sorry, I can't do that. Oh, that's real embarrassing. There's a. Maybe I can do it this way. Are you enjoying that blackberry? Shaky? Did you do that? I need to do my hair today too. What were we doing? Oh, yes. And the plantain and the avocado must be eaten today as well. So let's get busy. I guess I get to clean the pan prior to. Oh, man. Only 3 legs left in the house, and I forgot I need one for the zucchini. Oh dear. Ooh, it's okay. It's okay. And I guarantee you, I'll let these things burn while peeling or shredding, whatever you call that I'm doing to the zucchini. But you know what? I like it that way. Okay. And there was a recipe for like zucchini fritters, but I don't feel like looking it up, so we're just gonna dump some flour and salt and pepper and the salvaged eggy and see what happens. Okay, so we have fried plantain with Parmesan. What is that? That's eggy. What is this? Avocado with egg, salt and pepper. So good, so good. And then the zucchini fritters, they came out cute. These are the little ones. I made bigger ones. I'm gonna make Gabriel eat those, I think. If they're, I don't know if they're good though. I'm scared. Okay, let's try this. Okay, this is how the cool girls do it. They eat on camera. And then they talk about how good it is. It's so good. And then the plantain with Parmesan, you guys. That is amazing. The moment of truth. That tastes like vegetable. Yeah. It needs to be fried crispier and more flour, maybe. Yeah. That's not my favorite, but you know, this is good stuff. Okay. Okay, that's that. That's enough of that. Gluten-free brownie mix with Ghirardelli dark chocolate. Straight out of the freezer for the win. Okay, friends. We are off to the gym and then a little mini grocery run. But full disclosure, I threw out a slice of tomato And the chives and cilantro, I just decided I couldn't be bothered. And what else was there? The half of a zucchini, like, I don't feel bad about that one because, you know, it was sacrificed to kitchen experimentation, so that's okay. Gabriel and I just didn't love it. We didn't really like it, to be honest. I found a stray lime under the onions that I had to throw away. Yeah. Was that it? I feel bad because I went 6 months without throwing away any food. Oh well. July was just crazy. I'm back on track now. Oh, and full disclosure again, there were 2 brownies. I ate the other one off camera, so just so you know. Anyway, okay, we're off. Is it everything you imagined it would be?
It sure is.
Those chips look good. I might need to steal another one. Oh yeah, that's good. Pre-run nap. Very important. Dinner. Chicken and yellow rice with a little lettuce and some of those carrots. I'm trying to be responsible here. Okay, let's do this. Smoothie time. Get out of there. Frozen bananas. A little bit of spinach. Is that enough? Strawberries. Yeah. Maybe we need a little more spinach. Some greens in my life. Ooh. It looks like marijuana. I need a tripod. Little Greek yogurt. How's that? To be clear, I don't know what marijuana looks like, but I imagine it looks like that. That's what I imagine. And I'm gonna use up these blackberries. I save some for the top, but
For the sport.
I'll give it that nice purple color. And some milk. You're propped on the blackberries for a moment. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks good. Look at Princess Leia. She's looking serious about this. You know she wants some. Oh man, looks good. Okay, now to make them beautiful. Oh, get off of there, dude. I really need a tripod. It's hard to be aesthetic when you're only using one hand. How do people do that? I don't know. And we're gonna try some honey roasted walnuts this time. Oh yeah, that looks tasty. Oh yeah. Go ahead. How is it?
So good.
Pretty good?
You put the banana in here?
Uh-huh.
Now I can taste it.
Do you taste the spinach?
No.
What are you adding to it?
Yeah.
You top it off with granola?
Mm-hmm. One more.
Okay, here we go. Sorry I'm not as cute as I was earlier, but I went running. That is so good. Look at that. Just look. These walnuts. Did I say walnuts? Walnuts? Walnuts. That's a winner right there. So good. Okay, so a quick review of those two books that I mentioned earlier. So the first is Intuitive Eating, a Revolutionary Anti-Diet Approach by Evelyn Trulli and Elise Resch. This is Make Peace with Food, Free Yourself from Chronic Dieting Forever, Rediscover the Pleasures of Eating. So this is all about intuitive eating. Back in 1995, it was first published, but a lot of studies have come out based on these principles, and so this book has gotten a lot of resurgence in recent years, which is why it's back on the radar so prominently on YouTube recently. I'm not going to go over the principles in the book because it would not do them justice. You can check out this book, or there is a workbook version of it that's much briefer. So as far as the structure of the book goes, like I got a lot out of the principles in the book. I'm not really an all or nothing kind of person. I'm kind of a centrist with most ideas, but I definitely got a lot of good takeaways from their stance on dieting and food consumption in general. But the structure of the book is like, it's more of a self-help book. So there's that. And I don't really get along with books that have the principles intermingled with little scenarios, clinical scenarios to illustrate their points. I'd rather just have the information straight shot. So for me, probably the workbook would have been a better choice. But you know, if you like this style with a lot of illustrations for their points, you might get along with it well. And I'm going to link a couple of women that I've found that have great videos illustrating their points as well, if you're more interested in that a video format. So yeah, that's really all I want to say about that at the moment. I have a lot to say about all of these videos I've been watching, but maybe I'll get to that in another video. And then Anti-Diet by Christy Harrison. This is Reclaim Your Time, Money, Well-Being, and Happiness Through Intuitive Eating. Why Obsessing Over What You Eat is Bad for Your Health. So again, there are a few really good ideas in here, points that she makes, but this is like taking the intuitive dieting and kind of trying to explain the history behind why it's so, like, in society and in the dieting industry. And again, there are some good points in here, but my son and I listened to this on audiobook, and while it's initially like the style of it is a little more engaging, it's not discussing the intuitive eating specifically. It's more supporting it, like the theory of it. And she just makes a lot of broad generalizations, and there's a lot of holes in her thinking of some of the things she says. It's just, her reasoning is full of holes. She needed to reel it in a little bit, in my opinion, and in Gabriel's opinion, you know. So anyway, yeah. So I honestly wouldn't recommend this one personally. It just didn't work for me. The other one, I think there's a lot of validity in the concept of intuitive eating. And again, I will link those videos below, as well as Linda's son, who is the one that I found initially. And I just love her. I just Love her. Okay. So I will link her below as well if I didn't already say that. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back soon. Bye.